my name is Jen. Welcome to my kitchen. Since we are in the fall season, I'm making one of my favorite desserts, creme brulee, but with a twist. We are using pumpkins. These are the ingredients that you'll need. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 4 whole cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, about 4 tablespoons of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 star anise, 4 egg yolk, 1/2 cup of palm sugar, and 1 cup of pumpkin puree and mini pumpkins for your ramekins. So step 1, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So next, grab your pumpkin, find a flat surface, and cut off the tops. And if you're not the strongest person in the world, grab a rolling pin and just hit your knife. Scoop out the seeds until you have a flat surface. And roast these for about half an hour. Ooh. So now that 30 minutes has passed, I'm going to lower the temperature from 400 degrees to 300 degrees. I'm going to take out the roasted pumpkins and let it cool while I make the filling. Wow, that looks good. Okay, so now we're going to make the filling. You need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, your cinnamon stick, ginger, whole cloves, vanilla extract, star anise, cardamom. Okay, so grab your ingredients that you have in the medium saucepan and take it over to the stove. And heat that up and bring it to a boil, stirring occasionally. In a large bowl, whisk in the egg yolks with the palm sugar. Okay, go ahead and set that aside. Grab your bowl and your strainer and your mixture from the stove. And strain out the whole ingredients. Discard that. Slowly pour in your mixture and continue to whisk. And lastly, add in your pumpkin puree. Take your filling mixture and pour it back into your measuring cup. Just make sure to pour high and skim out those bubbles to ensure a smooth surface. Grab your pumpkins that you've roasted earlier and pour your filling mixture into each pumpkin. Fill the pumpkins to the top. Bake your creme brulee until set, about 15 to 20 minutes. To ensure that the creme brulee is set, it should shimmy when you shake the pan. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Now for your last step, take your sugar and sprinkle it on top of each creme brulee. Try to get it as even as possible. Now turn on the torch and torch the sugar until it is caramelized. And now that it's set, it's time to take the top off and enjoy. This is really good. I'm Jen in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Take the top off.
Time to take the top off. Yeah, let's do that. Why
Okay,
not?
let's do it. Top off.
Sex sells.
Or you can say, time to take the top off. Look at that sexy thing.
No,
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
you were doing so good all night. What happened?
I'm tired.
Yes.
I'm kidding.
Fatigue is kicking in.
It's 11 o'clock.